Here's a beauty little Australian number we picked up off Marketplace in the weekend. Now we purchased this one sight unseen, but bit of a stitch up. It has a broken handle. Didn't know about this. It looked good in the photos. We weren't told by the seller, but it is what it is. I've put out an ad looking for spare parts for a replacement handle, to no avail so far. So pretty much I've just got impatient waiting to see if someone's got a spare handle and decided to have a crack at making one. Let's see if we can pull it off. I'm going to use this nice solid piece of teak. This is from my stash. It was an old dining chair actually that we couldn't save. So we've got a nice piece to work with. So I've decided to cut out the oval in the center of the pull handle first. So I'm just going to mark this out here and then cut the recess out to match the original handle. Then I'm going to fire up my trusty trimmer and we're going to route in and recess this oval about 1 centimetre deep into the timber. Looking pretty good, happy with that. So now we're going to cut this thing to size. Don't have a thickness to it, so we'll be ripping it down with a planer. Now I'm onto the router table and we're going to be thinning down part of this handle even more, which will be exposing the oval all the way through. Now it's starting to look like a handle. We've got the shape there and I'm just doing the final sort of curves and corners and edges with the sander and refining it down as close as we can to original. Alright, and here she is, check it out. Now, pretty happy with how this has come out. It's pretty much identical to the original. Once we've got this back on and we've refinished the whole dresser, this is going to blend in really well. You wouldn't know the difference. So yeah, pretty stoked with that. I'm not sure we would have found another one, so being able to make one makes life a lot easier. It did take me about 3 hours or more, but yeah, there we go.